Welcome to light-duty racking installation. Place the horizontal brace in the upright and fix it with screws and nuts. Then place the diagonal brace in the upright and fix it with screws and nuts. Install the remaining horizontal and diagonal braces. Fix the screws. Then install the foot pads. Install another upright in the same way. Then install the crossbeam. Install the remaining crossbeams in the same way. Install safety lock. Install the layer board. Finally, tighten the screws and nuts.